Senators are calling for the resignation of certain Filipino personnel assigned in the Middle East for alleged negligence. Senate Foreign Affairs Committee Chair Erwin Tulfo claimed the personnel were among the first to leave when airstrikes erupted between Iran and the joint forces of Israel and the United States. Tulfo specifically referred to staff from the Department of Foreign Affairs, the Department of Migrant Workers, and the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration.
Kung natatakot kayo, pag hupa ito, lumayas kayo dyan, mag-resign kayo lahat. Wala naman kayong mga silbi. Kailangan yung tumulong. 24/7, sabi ng Pangulo, dapat kayo bukas. Hindi yung, kung hindi pa tatawag mga senador, tsaka pa lang kayo bubuksan ninyo mga telepono ninyo.
Senate Migrant Workers Committee Chair Raffy Tulfo added that distressed overseas Filipino workers in the Middle East have complained about unavailable staff and unresponsive hotlines.
Dito nga sa Bahrain, may advisory sila na close sila bukas March 1. This was several days ago. Sino ang sasagot sa amin, mga multo ng OWA dito sa Bahrain? Hi Lord na lang, bahala sa amin. So ibig sabihin, yan nga po, marami ang ganun na nauna pang magsarado ang opisina ng OWA or DMW or DFA, nauna pa at mag-absent. So siguro we make sure this time na bukas po ang lahat ng matanggapan natin.